Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you very interesting topic, MRI of HBS. Look at the protocol. Now I open the protocol and now I set up the planning. T2 hast coronal. So coronal plan will be on the sagittal and axial images. Now I nicely set up the planning, and this one axial images, and now I nicely set up the planning following anatomy and physiology. Look here. Now I change the distance factor right now. Okay. Look here. Now I check the axial images and now everything is fine. And now again check the coronal images, and now I set up the trigger. Okay, and now I again check the sagittal images and everything is fine, and check the coil. Okay, right now everything is fine. Now finally apply. Okay. Now the next T2 hashed FS coronal, just open protocol and copy T2 hashed coronal. Okay. Now again copy parameters, now navigators, then okay, and finally the apply. Okay. Now the next T2 trophy coronal images, so same procedure. Now just breath hold protocol, and look here, this one the breath hold localizer. Okay. Now I nicely set up the planning here right now. Okay. This and everything is fine. Look here. Now they apply. Okay. Now the T2 hashed transverse. So transverse means axial. So axial plan will be on the sagittal and coronal images. Now I nicely set up the planning, and now I set up the trigger. Look here. Okay. Now fine. Okay. Okay. Look here. Now I check the coronal images. Now finally the setup trigger right now, and this one sagittal images. Okay. Now the localizer. Now apply. Okay. Now the in face. Okay. Axial images. Just copy T2 hashed axial images and apply. Then finally now I change the FOB. Look here. Now everything is fine. Now apply. Now the next protocol, out phase, just copy to in phase. Okay. Now continue. Right now, copy parameters, licenses, then okay. And finally the apply. Okay. Okay. Now next protocol, post contrast arterial phase. So this one the breath hold. Okay. Now I change the image. Now the change the image, breath hold localizer. This one the trophy breath hold, and this one the breath hold localizer. This one coronal images. Now I nicely set up the planning for arterial phase, and look here right now. Okay. Okay. Look here. This and everything is very nice, and apply. Now automatically copy to portal and venous phase. Now the next T1.5 coronal post contrast image planning, and look here. So coronal planning will be on the axial and sagittal images. Now I nicely set up the planning for following anatomy and physiology. Look here, this one the axial images. Okay, look here, and this one the coronal. Now I apply. Okay, now the next T1.5 delay phase axial images. So just copy to arterial phase. Okay, now everything is fine. Now apply. Okay, our planning will be now done, complete. Now I introduce the image. This one the arterial phase. Look at the image. Look here, and this one the portal phase. Look at the portal vein right now, and this one the venous phase. Look here, and this one the T1.5 post contrast coronal images showing here, and this one the axial images. Look here, T1.5, and look here the out phase. Look here, this is the pathology in this patient. Look here. Now this one FS axial images, and look here the FS coronal images. Okay, now the hashed image coronal.